Hello students, it is 11th class. Today's my topic is difference between red blood cells and white blood cells. Red blood cells are also called erythrocytes. Erythro means red and cyto means cells. White blood cells are also called leukocytes. Leuko means white and cytes means cells. Red blood cells are generally small in size, 7 to 8 micron in diameter, whereas white blood cells are large in size, about 8 to 20 micron in diameter. Third difference, red blood cells have a fixed form. These are circular, biconcave and enucleated, that is without nucleus. White blood cells change their shape. These are rounded and nucleated, that is, they have a nucleus. Fourth difference, red blood cells occur only in blood vessels, but white blood cells can escape from capillaries into tissue fluid. Red blood cells contain respiratory pigment, that is hemoglobin, whereas white blood cells lack respiratory pigment. Red blood cells are greater in number, that is 5 into 10 raised to power 6 cubic millimeter in blood in adult male and 4.5 into 10 raised to power 6 cubic millimeter of blood in female. White blood cells are much smaller, that is 5,000 to 10,000 cubic millimeter of blood. Red blood cells lose cell organelles during development, but white blood cells retain cell organelles during development. Red blood cells are alike and have no subtypes, but white blood cells are of 5 types, that is lymphocytes, monocytes, neutrophils, eosinophils, and basophils. Red blood cells have an average lifespan of 120 days, that is, they can live in 120 days. But white blood cells have an average lifespan 10 to 21 days, that is, their lifetime is only 10 to 21 days. Red blood cells source is bone marrow, but white blood cells source is bone marrow, spleen and lymph nodes. Red blood cells play an important role in the transport of oxygen and carbon dioxide, whereas white blood cells play an important role in defense against infections, that is, they play a role of soldiers.